Welcome back, everyone. I just carved the Mosaic Pale Ale that I did. The Easy Drinker, 3% beer. Came out beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I had a glass before. Whew. Very good. So, Doug Pendleton, my buddy, here's the taste review on this beer that I did. Very light, crisp body to it. Citrusy, floral, earthy. Great, easy drinking pale ale. Very, very nice. So I gave my buddy Doug the extract recipe of this, and he brewed it, and because he asked me for it, and I gave it to him. So he's going to do a video, do a review on that. But what I did is I did a 12-gallon batch on my side in the brewery here. The recipe's pretty easy. It's 10 pounds of two-row, 3 pounds of caramel crystal malt 20, 2 pounds of Vienna malt, 1 ounce of Mosaic at 60 minutes, 1 ounce of Mosaic hops at 30 minutes, 2 ounces of Mosaic hops dry hopped for 6 days. And the yeast I used was a Famiglia English Ale yeast US 04. This is a very easy drinking beer, and it's just really came out fabulous. Cheers, everyone. Can't go wrong with Mosaic hops. Citrus, piney, earthy, tropical, floral. Very nice. LaFamigliaBrewing. Together we make a family. Salud. So this recipe I originally wrote for Nelson Sauvin hops to be in it. My guy that I get my stuff from, I couldn't get the hops from him because he didn't have them. So I went with Mosaic. Mosaic was a good choice for this, but I'm going to brew it with the Nelson Sauvin hops. Nelson Sauvin hops give off like a white grape character to them, resembling a Sauvignon Blanc wine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that recipe too as well. So this got me a couple kegs of this with the Mosaic Pale Ale, but 3%, like I said, you could drink it all day. Take it easy, man. Version 2. If anybody would like to contact me, they can contact me by email at LaFamiliaBrewing@gmail.com. Yeah. Woo. That's good. Salud. You know, brewing for yourself, it's not really that hard. It may look difficult in the beginning, but it doesn't take long to learn. When you have people over, hanging out at your house, you have beer kegged, bottled, or whatever way you want to do it, the biggest feeling, the best feeling of it is that's your beer in that keg. That's your beer in that bottle. That's your beer that everybody is enjoying. It's a blessing to be able to do this and to be able to create such a great product. Like the big boy breweries, okay? You can do the exact same thing as what they can do, and even better a lot of the times. So I encourage anybody who wants to learn on how to homebrew, go for it. Do it. Don't let anything stop you. My buddy in Wisconsin, Doug Pendleton, this is for you. Take it easy, man. Version 2. Mosaic hops. Cheers. Salud. I wish you guys were here right now to taste this. This really is a good beer. Really is. And you know what? It's going to be even better in a couple weeks by sitting in the keg. This is very, 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 very good. Everybody, you like my videos? Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for joining. We'll see you next time. Love you all. LaFamigliaBrewing. Together we make a family. Salud. Doug, wish you were here, buddy. As soon as you can do that video, I want to see it. Cheers.